Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? My name is Nisha Muskan. I'm student of BSc first year. First of all, I would like to say thanks to our guest who came here to motivate us. And I would like to say thanks to Alif International School, Salman sir, for providing us a wonderful platform to develop our presentation skills. Today, I would like to share my views on humanity. We must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean will not become dirty. Humanity means helping people at times when they need you the most. Being a human is our first identity. We don't want to be rich to show humanity. If we give a glass of water to someone, to a thirsty person, and help in crossing road who are blind, this all comes under humanity. So I end up my speech with a thought: helping one person might not change the world, but it could change the world for that one person. Thanks a lot for your cooperation. Have a wonderful day.